Have you ever felt like you're climbing harder, faster, working longer, but still going nowhere? I have. Over 20 years ago, I hit a point in my career where I realized something, and it was unsettling. I wasn't steering my future, I was reacting to it. I thought I was doing everything right, working hard, checking all the boxes, and waiting for recognition that never quite came. Sound familiar? Here's the thing. I didn't need more effort. I didn't need more education. What I needed was direction and clarity. Here's the truth. Professional development is not a one-time event. It's a process. That realization, it triggered and changed everything. I started asking myself better questions. What am I working toward? What really matters? And how do I stop drifting and own my future? That's when I started building what would eventually become the 5 pillars of professional development. At first, it was just for me, a system to stop the drift and focus on what truly mattered. But something interesting happened. When I shared pieces of this framework with others, the results were undeniable. It worked, not just for me, it was working for others stuck in the same cycle of working harder but standing still. The challenges I faced back then, they're the same ones I see ambitious professionals struggling with today. Drifting instead of navigating, reacting instead of leading, climbing someone else's ladder instead of building their own. And if you're feeling that too, you're not alone. Here's the good news. There's a way forward. The 5 pillars are not just ideas. They are a process, a system to take control of your career and make intentional progress toward your goals. Let me walk you through it. Pillar 1, Purposeful Influence. Influence is not about being louder. It's about impact. Purposeful influence helps you lead conversations and frame decisions with clarity and intent. Pillar 2, Confidence and Credibility. Confidence gets you noticed. Credibility, it keeps you in the room. Build trust that speaks for itself, even when you're not in the room. Pillar 3, Success Drivers. Motion is not progress. Success drivers help you focus on what really matters. Stop mistaking busyness for productivity. Pillar 4, Decision-Making Accelerators. Ever felt stuck? Frozen by too many options? This pillar helps you simplify choices and move forward with confidence. Pillar 5, Intentional Velocity. Speed without direction is chaos. Speed without direction is chaos. Speed without direction is chaos. Intentional velocity is your friend. It ensures your momentum aligns with your goals. Let's get real. Progress only matters when it's pointed in the right direction. Amateurs have goals. Professionals have a process. Here's what happens when you apply these pillars. You stop chasing, you start steering. You stop reacting, you start creating the opportunities that you want. This isn't just a framework, it's a process. And when you engage with it, everything changes. Before I go, let me leave you with this. Professional development is not something you check off of a list. It's not a box to tick or a course to finish. It's a process, a continuous journey of clarity, action, and growth. Now that you know this, let me ask you, what's one area in your career where you feel stuck? And what would it mean to move forward with clarity? Because the question isn't whether you'll grow, it's how far, how fast, and how intentionally. And when you're ready, I'll be here to guide you.